Some experts believe the prosecution and subsequent outcome of the Deng case is a signal that courts are taking a tougher stance on hazing deaths than they have in the past. Hank Newer, a professor at Franklin College in Indiana and a journalist who has been writing about and tracking hazing deaths for decades, described the fraternity's sentence as groundbreaking. "I think it's one of the toughest ever," he told CNN on Monday. "Mom, maybe they'll understand the loss one day." 208. "It's sending a definite message," he continued. "It's sending a message that national fraternities are considered, by this court and by the judge, to be accountable when one of their pledges are killed." Newer previously said the verdict against Pi Delta Psi and the court's handling of the case showed huge changes from when he first started tracking hazing deaths and the criminal proceedings around them in the 1970s. "Judges are taking it more seriously," Newer said Sunday, adding that lawyers who didn't know how to bring a case against fraternities in the past now have greater understanding of how to handle such cases. Doug Fireberg, an attorney for Deng's family who has represented multiple high-profile hazing victims in the past, previously told CNN the verdict showed that national fraternities can and should be held criminally and civilly responsible for the injury and death caused by their members. "The criminal prosecutions shows that can happen and should proceed that way and they can be convicted." The sentencing came after a deadly year for fraternity pledges. At least 4 young pledges died in 2017 on the campuses of Pennsylvania State University, Louisiana State University, Texas State University, and Florida State University.